Hello, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. While I am glad that year-to-date our clients are doing quite well, it's interesting when we went into the end of the quarter, the second quarter of this year, generally speaking, we saw the market somewhat flat to up around 2%, depending which indice you were looking at. I'm glad to look at our clients actually did quite well for the first half of the year. I look now 6-7 weeks into the quarter now, the third quarter, and of course what I'm seeing is a lot of our positions, the small cap, a lot of our value propositions, a lot of our alpha beta strategies or ETFs within our client portfolios, many have actually gained 8 to 10% just in the last 6 or 7 weeks. As I try to educate every investor, markets are somewhat erratic. You're not going to be up every single month or quarter, and sometimes not every year. But the patient investor who follows a disciplined strategy, which is Resney Wealth Management, by the way, often is well rewarded at the end. I feel by year end we're going to have pretty spectacular returns. Again, I see light volatility. I see no sign of recession. We do daily work on this, by the way. And if we see signs of a real slowdown or recession, we will get defensive and across the board in all of our client accounts and in all of our client models. So again, make sure that you understand that we are on the job. We do not believe in set it and forget it, but we also don't believe in emotional investing, jumping from investment to investment or news story to news story. That's been proven to be a failure for investors. I can tell you on a monthly basis, I receive hundreds of phone calls on my TV and radio shows. People often that are emotional and have virtually made no money or lost a lot of money. I'm glad to say that's not our clients because they stay the course. If you feel a little bit emotional sometimes as a client, give us a call. Let me talk you off the ledge. But a smart investor knows it's not the short term that matters. It's those long returns, long-term returns that really help give you the income you need and give you the overall security you need in all retirements. Again, the economy is doing well. We tend to be U.S.-centric. We did add recently to emerging markets because those economies seem to be coming back on a relative strength basis and on a fundamental basis. If you're a client and you have any questions, please call the office. And if you're a client and you have not had a phone review or in-office review, please call the office, schedule a review in the next 1 to 2 months. I want to sit down with each and every one of our clients and make sure that we go over your portfolio and make sure you're satisfied with the services we provide. Have a safe and profitable day.